What's the meaning of beechwood? Beechwood. Beechwood.
Beechwood. Beechwood. Beechwood refers to wood that comes from the beech tree. Beech trees are deciduous trees that are native to temperate regions in Europe, Asia, and North America. The word beech itself is derived from an Old English word meaning book, as it was once used for carving tablets for writing on before paper became widely available. Beechwood is a hard and durable wood that has been used for centuries in furniture making, flooring, and even in the construction of musical instruments. It has a tight grain structure, which makes it resistant to warping and bending. Beechwood is also valued for its beautiful pale color, which lends it well to a variety of decorative finishes.